Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about decorator. Starting a decorator business is always a great idea as every event requires decoration material, chairs, stage material, etc. Though the initial investment in this business is high, it will yield a profit at every event as the same stuff will be used. There are many more such ideas wherein the investment required is low, but the profits can be significantly high. Such lucrative ideas mostly depend on your people and networking skills, knowledge in niche areas, and the latent demand for the same in the market. If you are bitten by the entrepreneurial bug, take the plungy today. This is the information regarding decorator. Decorator is also most important because in every one human life, one birthday will be there, marriage day will be there, and children's birthdays will be there, sisters' birthdays will be there, and fathers' birthdays will be there, parents' birthdays will be there, and so many other functions also there. In every function, some sort of decoration is required to every home to show the importance to others and to them also, and to their own kith and kin also. For them, decoration is most important. So, decorator will give such fulfillment to your home to appear very grandly. Wishing you all the best.